Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 8 live stream apps to make money and step-by-step guide on how to make money and withdraw with these apps. The sign-ups of this app are actually free. The first app here is the Boloup app. The second is Tango. Third is Popo Live. The fourth is Nikki Live. The fifth is Boloup Livestream app. The sixth is TikTok app. The seventh is Chipet. These livestream apps gives us opportunity to make money, catch fun, and create relationship with different people. Take note, in order to make money from any of these apps, you must be consistent. It does not mean that when you sign up, you start making money immediately. Keep consistent with what you are doing. Engage your viewers and also create good content. If you hold a live stream or join a live stream, make sure you participate very well and obey the rules guiding each of the gambling section you wish to gain from, in order to be among the people that will earn from it. In order to make money in this app, there are a few steps to take, like completing daily tasks, playing games, opening treasure box, by participating on affiliated program like joining, inviting friends, and so on. By gambling, these are different steps that you can these are different steps that can give you money on any of this live stream app. At the description box of this video, I'll be dropping links on how to learn different section of feature in these different apps, so that you not get confused while trying to access any feature in this app, most especially how to withdraw from the app. The method of withdrawal for these apps are same, which are ePay. Any of these app allows you to withdraw through ePay. It also allows you to withdraw using exchanges like Trust Wallet, Binance, Bitgate, and so on. Secondly, you can also make use of paper account if you have any to withdraw from any of this live stream app. Local banking method like donation accounts for Nigerians that have such account can also make use of it because of their USDT in order to withdraw USDT from this app. So guys, I hope with this you are comfortable now in having access to any of this live stream app. If this video was helpful, do want to give me a thumbs up, hit notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.